Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the subsystem and platform. Do this now in an elevated PowerShell. Type WSL install to begin. Once done, make sure Windows 11 is updated to a supported build and that virtualization is turned on in BIOS or UEFI. Restart the PC after enabling features because the kernel update needs a reboot. Then reopen PowerShell as administrator to run the next commands. This short sequence gets the system ready for installing Ubuntu without extra detours. Now you install Ubuntu itself. You can run WSL install dubuntu or download it from the Microsoft Store and click Install. When you launch the distro the first time, you will create a Unix username and password. That account becomes your default. Once inside, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to get security fixes and tools. If WSL defaults to version 1, set the distro to WSL 2 with WSL set version, Ubuntu 2 for full kernel compatibility. Finally, launch Ubuntu from start or via Windows Terminal and test the install with uname R and LSB release A. You should install developer tools, for example sudo apt install build essential curl-git, and add Ubuntu to Windows Terminal profiles for fast access. If something goes wrong, first run WSL update and reboot. Make sure virtualization is enabled in firmware, and if necessary, restart the LXSS Manager service or convert the distro to WSL 2 with WSL set version.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.